Welcome back to your boy Destination Trucker. Thanks for tuning in to another video. We are going today to hopefully get some sod. We got plans for the backyard. We want to clean it up and make it look a lot better because right now it kind of looks terrible. The dogs track mud in all the time. So what our plan is if you look here, see all right here where it's all gravel. We are gonna clean that up, rake it all up, lift all these stones up so they're up higher, and put some grass there. So, and we're gonna lift them all up here too. And I know you're probably saying, look at all the toys. I know everything's a mess out here. Got to get her cleaned up, get her looking good, because we got a half-size pool for right there. We're gonna put there. It's just a small little one, you know, for kids, right? Because we don't own this place, so by law they don't want us having big pools. So we can put like something like that or a little bigger, but we're gonna go a little bigger so that me and the wife can sit in it too, because it is the summertime, and with everything going on, you know, we want to be able to do it. So with that said, we are gonna go right now and go to Home Depot, see how much sod is there. Now everywhere I've checked, it's about 32 cents square foot. Okay, so it's fairly cheap. Hopefully they have some there, and if not, then I've already got a guy that sells it, and we'll see how much. He's 32 cents, and I'll see how much if I can just go get it, because he has a delivery on it, right? Now I don't want nobody delivered. I got a truck. I can put it in the back of my truck, so I'm not going to pay $100 delivery for sod. Right? Like, that just don't make sense. So hopefully Home Depot got it. We'll get her done. We'll get her, and we'll be out of here, and we'll be able to get her done. So with that said, let's head there. Oh, we could not get the sod at Home Depot, so we are taking a trip. It's about 30 minutes away. Buddy's got some out there. I need 150 square feet, and he told me $30 for 150 square feet. Folks, so we got some sod there, as you can see in the video. He got me to help him pull up the grass and stack it. I'm not a very good stacker, I'll tell you that. I mean, if I was to do it more often, I'd probably be a pro at it, because to me that'd be like throwing bags of potatoes like I used to do back when I was younger. You know, yeah, I'm not a pro at it. I was tearing a couple, but hey, we got her done. Got some grass. We're gonna head now. I gotta swing by and grab a rake. We need a rake, and then we'll be heading back to the house, and we'll start putting some grass down. All right, folks. So we made it back home, and we got a shovel and we got a rake. So that, oh, excuse me, I just had a sub too. So we can get it done. We are going to start cleaning this up, making it look nice, so I can put some grass down there. It's looking to me like I'm not going to have to do much here. It'll be that there, all that over there is going to have to be lifted up some. So hopefully I can do it pretty good, and we'll see. So let's get started. This is all going to be done in time lapse. So let's get started. Alright folks, so as you can see, we got that all done. It's looking pretty good. We're still going to move this out of the way, but I'm just going to wait because I'm probably going to put a couple right here. I'm out of breath. It's a lot of work, but I think I might put a couple here because all I got was enough to basically cover here and over here and then this area here, right? So I'll probably put like a couple stones right here, that way. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, right now we're digging this area up so that it's flush with that piece of wood. I got to get that all in the back there. I'm gonna fill that back in. So let's just keep going. All right, folks. So I'm sweating, but we got her looking good over there, as you can tell. You know, I did it all pretty good. Got this all lined up. I'm out of breath, but that's all right. Got this here pretty much. I just gotta do a little bit there, and then we're gonna start bringing the sod in, and we'll lay the sod out. I gotta lift that one block up. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it yet, but I gotta get it out of there because I want this to be kind of square area, right? So let me get that done, move that there, and we'll start hauling the sod in, and we'll get her laid out. All right, folks, so we got it all in. We got all the grass here. We got it off the truck and in. So now we're going to start laying it out. And instead of doing it and you're watching it all in slow motion, we're going to speed it up. So let's do it. All right, folks, so as you can see, I did it all. It looks pretty good. You know, we still don't have it here, and that's just it. Like, I was thinking, you know, like, if I'm gonna do this, why didn't I just do it right up to here and then right up there, kind of the whole thing, and just have like a walkway where you can kind of go around in a circle, right? You know, but with what I got done now, that looks pretty phenomenal. I think after she sees it all and sees this here, she's gonna say, yes, let's just do it. You know, for how much more grass we need, like, you know, it's, you know, if you figure it out, we need 1, 2, 3, say 4, so 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. We need about 14 pieces of sod. So 14, or what are they, 2 by 1? I think they are, or something like that. I don't know, whatever he cuts them as, but I need 14 pieces basically, and I think it would totally make it look a lot nicer. Especially get rid of all those rocks, right? Like, I don't know why anybody puts rocks in their backyard. They're the hatefulest thing, but some people love it and they think it's amazing. But you tell me, comment below, tell me what you think of this. Tell me if you think this looks nice. With that said, I thank you again for watching another video. I hope you like this. Don't forget, smash that like button and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications. We'll see you on the next one.